friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is needs of plant. Subject EVS, class KG or first. Learning objectives. Students will understand what plants need to live and grow. Students will identify four main needs: air, water, sunlight, soil. Students will develop observation and reasoning skills. Reasoning, REASONING. Sorry, I've written wrong spelling. Next, teaching aids. First, flashcards of sun, water, air, soil. Real plants you can show, or picture cards: soil, soda, bread, water, candy, air, moon, glove, sun, shovel. Watering can, chart paper, colors. Introduction. So first teacher will show a real potted plant. Then you can ask students, do plants eat food like us? What do you think plants need to live? So these are the questions. You can introduce the topic like this. Next, story time. So after that, after asking question, you will tell a short story. Once there was a little plant who felt sad because it was not growing. Then the sun came to give light, rain came to give water, wind gave fresh air, and soil gave a home. The plant became happy and grew strong. So this is the short story you can tell the students. Then, showing the flashcards or real objects, teacher will show one by one, like first sun card, say plants need sunlight. Then show water card plus watering can, say plants need water. Blow air or show fan, plants need air. Show soil in a pot, plants need soil to grow. So after showing the flashcard, you will tell the students that what plants need. Next activities. First, hands-on activity in which water the plant. Teacher will let each child pour a little water into the class plant and say, plants need water. Now, sorting game in which mix card, soda, soil, bread, water, candy, air, moon, glove, sun, water, shawl. So these are the mix card, and then students will sort what plants need versus don't need. I will show you. Let's just wait. So these are the flashcards, and this is the topic plants need. You will place flashcard of yes and no, and then students will sort out by picking up all the flashcards, and like for example, like plant needs gloves, so students will say no, so they will place in below the no top option. And then sun, yes, like candy, no, soil, yes, soda, no, again soil, yes, air, yes, water, yes, moon, no, shawl, no, bread, no, water, yes. So students will place the flashcards like this, and they will mix uh, and sort what plants need versus don't need. So after sorting activity, now the next one is dramatization, in which teacher will assign roles to the students. One child will become sun, one water, one air, one soil, and one plant. Sorry, sun, water, air, soil, and plant. And then students will act out how they help the plant to grow. Next, assessment, in which teacher can ask some quick questions like, do plants need toys? So students will say no. Do plants need sunlight? Student will say yes. What do plants drink? Water. After that, teacher can give student worksheet, in which student first will color the picture and also match each picture with a correct word. So this is a watering can, water, so students will match water, soil for soil, sun, and then air. So this is the matching worksheet you can give to the students. Next, conclusion, in which teacher will recap by chanting with actions. Plants need sun, plants need air, plants need water, and plants need soil. Then teacher will end the topic by saying, if we care for plants, they grow big and strong. Then this is the extension idea, in which you can give a plant to the students and they will observe daily. Students can take turns watering and checking sunlight. So this is the lesson plan of needs of plants. Thank you for watching.